morning friends, this is Kajol and I am going to teach you the chapter probability today. What is probability? I want to explain that probability is possibility. That means what? Suppose this is a bag over here. If I put these three pens inside it and these three sketch pen and a marker also inside the bag and this duster also, and I will tell someone that take out the things out of it, and he will put his hand and take out the things one by one, then how many chances that he will get a duster? One, because there is only one duster inside the bag. After taking out this one duster, is there a chance that he will get a duster? No. That means the possibility that he will get a duster is 1. Like that, if I tell what is the possibility that he will get a pen, that will be also 1, 2 and 3. That means 3 times he will get a pen. After taking out this 3 pen, there is no chance that he will get a pen. So the possibility that he will get a pen is also 3. Similarly, we can say for the sketch pen and the marker. Now, how do we explain it in mathematics? Let's see. So, probability of happening a event is equal to number of favorable event, number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. Okay, now let me explain how many things I have put inside the bag. There is 3 pen, 1 duster, a marker inside the bag. That means there is 3 pen, 1 duster and a marker. That means total 5 things. That means whenever he will put his hand inside the bag, so how many times there is a chance that he will get something? That is 5 times. Out of which how many times it is a chance that he will get a pen? There are only 3 pen. So the number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes means the number of time the event will happen. That will 3. So the probability of getting a pen will be 3 by 5. Like that, we have seen there was only one duster inside the bag. So the probability of getting a duster will be, there are possible event, total number of things inside the bag was 5, out of which there is a chances of getting a duster is 1. So that is also 1 by 5. Now if I tell what is the chance that you will get a marker, the probability of marker also 1 by 5. So like this we get the probability of getting a things. Now I want to tell you certain important things, that any probability in this world, any probability of happening an event always lies between the value 0 and 1. And also the sum of all the probability, sum of all the probability of an event is always 1. For example, here we have seen the probability of getting a pen is 3 by 5, the probability of getting a marker is 1 by 5 and the probability of getting a duster is 1 by 5. If we add these 3 things, then the LCM is 5 and 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. So the probability, the sum of all the probability of an event is equal to 1. Now another thing also I can say over here, that the probability of not happening an event, that means we know there are only 3 pen, 1 duster and a marker inside the bag. If I say that what is the probability that you will get a mango, there is no mango, so there is no chance that you will get a mango from the bag. So the probability of not happening an event is equal to 1 minus probability of happening an event. Now another thing also, let me tell you certain example. Suppose you toss a coin, and I will tell you what is the probability of getting a head and what is the probability of getting a tail. As we know, if we toss a coin, we will get either a head or a tail. So the probability of getting a head will be what? That means number of possible outcomes will what? Number of possible outcome means either head will come or tail will come. There is only two possible outcome. There is no other outcome will come when you toss a coin. So the proper number of possible outcome is 2. And out of which the favorable outcomes means how many times you will get a head is 1, that is 1 by 2. Like that, if I say the probability of getting a tail will be how much, that is also the number of possible outcome is 2, and out of which the chances of getting a tail is 1, so that is also 1 by 2. So here is one example. Thank you for watching this video.